for our Sheila friend.
Ayan na, ayan na. Dito kay mama para makita mo sila. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Here we go.
Ayan na. Ay! Ang cute. Nakita mo kaya?
Hello everyone.
Nood ka ni, nood mo, tingnan mo.
Di pa na rin mo. Magbibidyo. Manood ka. Ako magbibidyo. Manood ka, manood ka.
Wow, what a beautiful haircut. Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, Trainer Beats.
Manood ka. Ako na magbibidyo para makanood ka.
Together with their trainers, one at a time. On your left side is the female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow!
Wow!
Her name is
Ang cute.
Isis. Together with her Shell, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the cutest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ira. Together with her Bina, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have an idea why they are
Mabait yan.
or feather putting pa rin naman?
Ako na magbidyo, manood ka. Hindi mo nakikita sa
Do they have
telephone.
feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term Philippines can also be translated as wing footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place when sila friend. And did you know, they're often mistaken like a seals because they
Nakita mo
look
na yung
very
sila
much
yun, no?
But some differences between a seal and sea lions is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the one demonstration. Number one for our sea lion friend. And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Our number of Marcial friend. And as you can see, their one is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers have the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Ooh, nice man. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from beneath the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like marine animals, cannot survive in sea with both above and underwater. And the Bakina is like what? No color vision. In the wild, they inhabit the waters close to shore, aquatic lakes with tide pool, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbability, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Only from the flippers. Now, let's talk about the swimmer fitness and let's start with Ira, the cutest.
Nabibidyo, manood ka. Ako na nagbibidyo, hindi ka nakakanood.
General cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers. While their back flippers are switched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim, nice and easy. There's so much island Cherubina. But when chasing their prey or taking from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to 25 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. That is so fast. Our motors for ISIS, the BTS.
Oh, nice slide.
And another one. See, actually,
Mamaya, malapit na matapos.
Interesting story about our sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has 23 of them to take part of their special operation? Yep, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be able to show. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater masks. Today's trainers are ready. Well then,